You are now watching Doorbell News.
Jump on. Uh-oh, this is getting tricky. This is a lowercase a. Which one is the A? Yeah, jump on.
Meanwhile in Edinburgh, check this guy out.
And carry on like it's opening night on Broadway. It takes us nearly an hour to reach the end of the story.
You f***ing idiot! Oh!
Nice driving. Luckily, he was there to save the day. The boy's father pulls up, clearly upset. Luckily, the boy was okay. This could have been a lot worse. Gwinnett County, Georgia. Looks like he has an extendo. He comes back later with a mask on. Yeah, his kick wasn't strong enough. Better keep those doors locked. A Doorbell News viewer sent us this dash cam footage.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, no, what? This is not how road rules work. This is how accidents happen. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Wow.
Right.
Just be careful.
I'm just gonna get the fuck.
Gotta be careful out there on those roads. Oakland, California. Check this guy out. More dash cam footage from a Doorbell News viewer. It always seems to be those white pickup trucks that are driving insane on the road. That made no sense. It's like he just pulled out right when this lady pulled up. She gets out the car clearly upset.
You're dumb. You're really dumb. Like, you're dumb. Get out the car. You're dumb. Hold up. You just messed up the whole of my car. Like, what? Like, you gotta look. Like, y'all is just dumb, bro. Y'all dumb. Y'all fucking dumb. Like, no. I ain't scared of nobody, bitch. That's my shit.
I don't know what that was about.
It's about Hey, all right, chill out.
Told my bro to stop coming home late and stop coming home tipsy. He thought he was getting mugged.
Chill out. Okay, all right. Okay, all right, chill out. All right, chill. I'm gonna blow you back out. Chill. No, what the? Why you slamming the door?
Son.
Bro, that was you complaining.
What do you mean? What are you talking to? I heard you arguing. Why are your keys on the floor? You're drunk again, huh?
Nah, bro.
I told you I stopped drinking.
Bro.
Hey, he's over here arguing with himself, fighting his own demons. What's going on?
Looks like somebody needs their license revoked.
Dunning Street.
Meanwhile, in Rochester, a neighbor shared this footage of what looks like a Ford Explorer that got wrapped around a tree. It obviously was traveling at a high rate of speed through a residential neighborhood. You gotta slow down.
Completely around the tree. He busted up his whole entire face, his arm, his leg, his hand. So loud. This is crazy.
This is how accidents happen. Trying to show off. Meanwhile, these kids kicking somebody's door and run off. Louisville, Kentucky. So this kid is in a store about to buy some candy and drops a $20 bill on the floor by accident. Check out the person in the blue pants. She spots the $20 bill and basically takes candy from a baby. What a shame. She spots the $20 bill on the floor, and she basically takes candy from a baby. The kid is over there looking for her money, but she doesn't realize she dropped it on the floor. She does the old step on the money trick. What a shame. I know somebody knows who that is. With your bonnet on. With your blue bonnet on. What a shame. The kid is looking around for a $20 bill. How could you do that? How could you do that to a kid? What type of person are you? Some people just don't have any integrity. Oh, she's just gonna walk right by her. Wow.
What the f***, Dana?
Looks like he tripped over the dog leash.
Seriously? What are you doing? Ow! God damn it! If you're gonna walk the dog...
Fostoria, Ohio. Check out this funny road rage incident.
You better get the f*** on! You cut me off!
Okay, so you're gonna freak out on me?
Yeah, I am! You about f***ing hit me!
Okay.
You stupid f***ing bitch! Ah, crush your mother.
Don't touch me.
You get near
me.
my truck again and I'll knock
Don't
your f***ing brains
me.
out.
Don't
Don't
touch me.
go near my truck!
Don't touch me.
Don't go near my
Get away
truck!
from me.
I will knock your bitch ass out!
Okay, knock me out.
Go near my truck! Go ahead. I won't get
You're
in your
gonna
way.
knock me out? Okay.
Go ahead, get in my way!
Don't.
Told you, bitch.
Get away from me. You're gonna hit me?
You ever cut me off
Don't.
like that again?
You can put your finger in my face.
I'll do what the fuck I want.
You ain't gonna
Apparently
touch
you
me.
do what the fuck you want.
Because I turned in front of you because you were going slow?
Yeah, you about hit my
I did not hit you. I have a dash cam. I can show you.
I don't give a...
I have a dash cam.
You
I can
wait
show
your
you.
fucking bitch ass turn.
I can show you my dash cam.
I don't give a fuck about your dash cam.
Because you see that you're
I
wrong.
bet you're a Biden supporter, ain't you?
Well, I don't even follow politics, you crazy ass.
Stay the fuck away from my
Get
truck.
the fuck away from me.
Ass out.
Knock me out. Knock me out, then.
You know what, bitch? I'm 62 years old. I ain't afraid of prison. I'll knock you.
You knock me out? Alright.
Ever cut in front of me again.
I didn't cut in front of you. Oh, you're gonna take your license plate off. It's alright, I already got it on the dash cam.
I don't give a fuck what you got.
I already got it on the dash cam. That's cool, bro. Go on with your badass self, bitch.
Wow. It's like totally not paying attention at all. Better keep those doors locked. We got a doorknob wiggler here and some tacky, in a tacky turquoise and leopard cheetah print jumpsuit.
Make sure you hit the like button.
Yeah, this Jeep owner clearly needs his license revoked, and he drives off like nothing happened. Neighbors dispute about the sidewalk.
This lady right here fell down on the sidewalk right there, came to my door. I'm asking if she's okay, and she's blaming me for the sidewalk being like that, and is telling me, and she's telling me that it's her fault that she fell. I'm telling her to please get off of my property, and she's standing here refusing. Please get off of my property. Get off of my property.
Call the police.
Get off of my property.
Call the police.
Get off of my property.
Call the police. I am hurt on your property.
Get off of my property.
Call the police.
Get off of my property.
How long you want to keep this up?
Get off of my property.
No.
Yes.
Where's your address?
Thank you. Please remove yourself from my property.
Where's your address? Dad, I'm 80 years old.
That's not my problem.
You got a lot of problems,
okay,
honey.
Please get off of my property. Thank you. It's right there. You know where it is. It's right there. It's right there. Get off of my property. Get off of my property.
Call the police.
A Doorbell News viewer sent us this amazing dash cam footage.
Oh. All right, now
Ready?
let it go.
It's like that truck sees...
Is that the white one?
See that?
Yeah.
That truck sees something in the road and it goes around it. And then it's like it scares that car and it swerves into the other... See? 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8.
Too many to count, huh?
I can't even count how many. Can anybody count how many times that car flipped? Meanwhile, in Houston.
Oh, what the f? Oh, this nigga trying to steal pizza. Fighting this nigga.
Check this guy out.
Oh, shit. Damn. Oh, look at this shit. Bro, look at this shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. That ain't for the grab that bitch. Oh my god. Oh my god.
A Doorbell News viewer sent us this footage. I believe this happened in the DMV area.
You better open up every door. got a baby in there?
No.
Oh.
That's what happens when you try to be superheroes. That's the deer. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, you's a bad boy. You's a bad boy.
No, take it up the street. Close my damn door. Don't leave it out there. Don't bring it up. Take it up there. Close.
Man, just put it down. F that.
It's going right over here now. Now.
God, close it. Oh, it's trying to get in. That thing is hurt. Oh, he gone. We freed him.
Check out this guy with a machete. He has some type of attitude problem. He's just going around cutting everybody's bushes up. What's wrong with him? Hey, leave my bush alone. Hey. A Doorbell News viewer sent us this footage of one of her homes that was trashed.
So I'm just now making it to my home that I rented out to a tenant, Michaela Johnson. And this is how she repaid me, y'all. Let her move in January 2nd. This is where I'm at, April the 9th, after she didn't pay her rent at all in the month of March. And obviously April either. So for 2 months. And then I gave her eviction, 5-day notice. And this is how she left my home. Of course, I had to process my thoughts and let all the tears and stuff out. And now I'm just showing what is left and what she did. Let me show y'all upstairs. Put a hole in my door. It's the laundry room. She left a lot of stuff in there too. Had her let her kids color on the walls. Don't forget to show that diaper. Put a hole here. Oh yeah. Here's the diaper she left.
Come on now. Kind of mother.
Left this room like this. Let them color all over the walls.
Come on now.
Diapers all right here. All these alcohol bottles. So, show y'all the closet. Not sure if there's nothing in there. It's just some shorts up there and a trash bag right there. But yeah, this is how she left the room. Food, leftover food. Chips, bag of chips open, plate, ranch.
Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Sorry for being away for so long. Had to take a break. New episode coming. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you subscribe and like the video.